In this video, let's talk about the wheel spacers, good or bad.
Installing truck wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems. They're installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These truck wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against suspension components. There are performance benefits to upgrading with truck wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider truck makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduce risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the truck wheel spacers provide a sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that the off-roading SUV looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS FT cooling truck wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty and any type of 4x4 event. These off-road wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling truck wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the truck wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, and improving road safety. To ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS FT cooling truck wheel spacers feature ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud, as well as ISO grade 10 lug nut. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TV certification reports. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling truck wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, giving customers peace of mind. Such BONOSS FT cooling truck wheel spacers are surely a good option for your 4x4 off-roading needs.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.